In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up Instagram Story Automation. Instagram Story Automation allows you to automatically reply to users when they comment on your Instagram story. To set up Instagram Story Automation, click on Tools and select Instagram Story Automation. Click on Add New and name your Instagram comment automation. You can set up an Instagram Story automation that tracks all your Instagram stories, or one that tracks a specific Instagram story. You can reply with text or reply with a flow. If you want to reply with a flow, create a simple flow, set the message type to Instagram, and select the flow in your Instagram Story automation. Once you are done, click on Save and turn on your Instagram Story automation. Let me show you. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.